Hello, everybody. This is Miss Kopak. This is lesson number 5. Before we get started, I want to let you know about 2 documents that you can find in the directions for this activity. If you go all the way to the bottoms of the instructions page, I have 2 links. One is a link to our short and long vowels chart, and the other is a link to a syllables chart. So if you're having trouble remembering the short and long vowels or the different types of syllables, I highly recommend going back to the instructions, clicking on those links, and looking back over these charts. You can also print them out if you have a printer. So today we are going to first look back at what we've learned so far. So far, we have gone over closed syllables and silent E syllables. Remember, all syllables need to have a vowel, and a closed syllable has the vowel closed in. So there is at least one consonant after the vowel, and the vowel sound is short. The silent E syllable is when you have a vowel, a consonant, and then a silent E. And the silent E makes the vowel before it become long. So closed syllables use short vowels, silent E syllables use long vowels. So here I have some silly words that I made up. And these are multisyllabic words, and they all have closed or silent E syllables. So there's 6 in all, but I rewrote them over here and divided them into syllables. So I found the vowels, and then I broke them apart into syllables. So for example, this first one, you can see it starts with a closed syllable, so that would be a short vowel sound. And then the next syllable has the silent E, so this would be a long vowel sound. So what I would like you to do is to try reading all 6 of these silly words to yourself and pay close attention to the vowels. Are they short or are they long? So you can hit the pause button to read these on your own and then hit play to read them with me. So go ahead and pause now. Okay, you should have read all of these words on your own. So let's try reading them together. We're going to read each syllable, then read the whole thing. So our first one is slup dame, slup dame. The next one is ran tish ing, rantishing. The third one is sape lame, sape lame. Next we have in dip int, indipent. Next we have og tope, ogtope. And our last one is sploke zam, sploke zam. Awesome. So today we're going to look at another type of syllable, and that is the open syllable. Your teacher might have used this hand signal to represent the open syllable, an open hand. And open syllables are actually the opposite of closed syllables. So an open syllable is when you have a vowel that is not closed in. The syllable ends with a vowel sound, so it is open. There is nothing after that vowel in the syllable. So when a syllable ends with a vowel, it is an open syllable, and that vowel makes the long vowel sound. So you actually know lots of itty bitty words that are open syllables. If you take a look at this list down here, these are words that you learned a long time ago, but they all end with a vowel, and the vowel is a long vowel. So I, Y, me, my, she, he, be, and no, they are all open syllable words. Here I have some silly words that I made up, and you will notice they are one syllable long. They only have one vowel, so it's one syllable. And the syllable ends with a vowel, so they're open syllables. So all of those vowels should be long vowels. Go ahead and try reading all of these silly syllable words to yourself. You can hit the pause button now to read them. Let's try reading them together. Sty, flay, blee, spo, mew. Now, you could have also said moo for that last one, because remember, long U can be U, but sometimes long U can be oo. There's two long U sounds. So moo or mew would be correct there. All right, now let's see if we can sort some silly words. So this first word here, S-P-O, the vowel is at the very end. So this would be an open syllable. Here, my vowel is in the middle and there's a consonant afterwards, so it's closed in. Here, I have vowel, consonant, silent E. What do you think about this next one? What column should it go in? If you said open, you are correct because it ends with a vowel. What do you think about the next one? This one is closed. Notice the vowel is closed in by a consonant. Actually, two consonants. This next one is also closed. We have vowel, consonant. What type of syllable do you think this word is? If you think it's open, you are correct. It ends with a vowel. What about this word? This word is a silent E syllable. Notice the vowel, consonant, silent E. This next word is also vowel, consonant, silent E. What do you think about this word? This silly word is a closed syllable. It has vowel and then two consonants closing it in. Our next word is an open syllable. The word ends with a vowel. And this one is also open. Where do you think I should put this next word? I think it should go in the closed column because we have vowel, consonant. And what do you think about this word? I agree with you if you said silent E. Oops, I moved the wrong one. Sorry, friends. And this last word ends with a vowel, so it should go into the open syllable column. All right, now we're going to try and read all of these words. So let's start with the closed section. Remember, these vowels are closed in, so we need to use short vowel sounds. So you can hit the pause button on your video and read them to yourself. Then hit play to read them with me. Go ahead and pause now. Okay, let's read them together using short vowel sounds. Mish, trag, slan, bast, zint. Good. Now let's try the silent E words. Remember, the silent E makes the vowel before it a long vowel. So hit the pause button and try reading these words. Let's try reading them together. Huel, spole, shope, tine. Awesome. And now our open syllables. All of these words end with a vowel, and since they end with a vowel, that vowel should be long. So hit the pause button and try reading these words. Now let's try reading them together. Spo, dray, gree, mow, spee, gly. Awesome. So when you get back into Seesaw, you're going to do an activity just like this one. You are going to have some silly words that you are going to sort by whether they are closed, silent E, or open syllables. Then you're going to try reading them all, and you can use the microphone to record yourself reading it to me. See you later, alligators.